kind of windy out there. We're in Pea Ridge, Arkansas, where WaMart, in cahoots with a third party, is setting up their drone delivery system. You can go online and pull it up. It's very quick and easy. Zipline is the name of the company that is working with WaMart. We just finished filming and talking to the employees. People, you need to watch this video. You're gonna think you're in Elon Musk's backyard. It's almost like science fiction. It was really fascinating. There he goes. It's amazing to watch. They live straight up. When they get up to their altitude, 300 feet, I think they said. Look, see him? He's adjusting. He's looking for his coordinates. The minute he finds that coordinates, he's gone. There he goes. He'll back out the way, calm and slow. The amazing thing is to watch them. When they get 300-foot altitude, I'm trying to hold steady, people. He'll get to 300 feet altitude, and you'll see him kind of turn, move, adjust himself, and all of a sudden, zing, he's gone. Now see him? He's adjusting. He's found it where he's going. Here he comes down. He's coming home. He delivered his load. He's coming in. I'm telling you, this is unbelievable. Come right on down to his loading dock. Watch that. He's home safe. Now, a while ago when I was filming and trying to hold his camera straight and catch everything at one time, they were extremely busy. At one time, there was only one drone in the docking bays. The rest, there goes one there, loading up, see him? Let me get back and get solid. Oh, they shut him off. They had loaded him a while ago. Now, why he's not going now, I don't know. But I see the red light blinking. They're loading that one now. But they had no problem. It went straight up, went in. So number 2 is now right there loading. Well, he stopped. I don't know what he's doing. I think he's, oh, I know what he's doing. Look at the belly. The belly of the drone opens up. And it got a cable. You can't see it, but a little bitty line. And it goes all the way down to the ground. So I'm going to let him, we got lucky. We don't get to see the whole process. The little drone is still on the ground down there. Still down there. I passed moving. I saw it moving. This is neat. This is absolutely neat. You know, Walmart had to design these things, and then they figured out how to load them and unload them. And I mean, they got 6 of them, and they're loading at number 3. Like I said, that one just come in. This one getting loaded, and 2 of them has left. So they're pretty busy. Now they're fixing to extend this into nighttime. Look at that. Hold on. Max, when he starts hunting, he's ready. He's hunting it now. Look at him.
Oh yeah, he's going at it.
He's found it. He's gone. Can you do it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, if you don't mind, send that to me.
Yeah.
Because
We got for delivery. My coworker told me that there's a TV for
two of them coming in at one time. They are busy, busy, busy today. The one on top is holding. This one's coming in the dock. The one on top is not moving. He's holding. All right, that one's going in the dock. He's docked. Look now, this one's coming down. And this one's starting to come down. And that one's going to have to turn around. Whoa, I lost him. This is utterly, I could stand here all day and watch these things. Bentonville, Arkansas. That's how they deliver groceries around here. There he is. He's home. Charging his little battery up. He's coming in. He's returning from a delivery. This is WaMart and Pea Ridge, Arkansas. This is where they started experimenting with this. Look, watch him. Now he's going to dock. He's gonna go in there and dock. Look, there's one dropping out to go. One coming in, he's docked. There goes another one leaving. They are really busy today. This beats anything I've ever seen. I love it. Now he's going to take off, baby. He's gone. This is every day. Right now there's 3 in dock and there's 3 en route. That's Walmart Chrome delivery. You see the props? He's fixing to take off. It looks like 2 of them is fixing to take off. No, one of them. There he goes. The fascinating thing is watching. Now he'll see the other drop off. And he'll go straight up to 300 feet. Now when he gets up there, you watch him. He'll start turning a little bit this way, a little bit that way, until he gets his directions. See him? And when he gets his directions, baby, they're gone. There he goes. That one's gone. That one's hunting it. He's gone. That's how they deliver the groceries around here.